All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to access your MND email from any web browser on any computer. So the first thing you want to do is go to any web browser. This one I have is Firefox, but you can use Chrome, even the web browser on your phone if you want to, but any web browser, and you're going to type office.com. So www.office.com, that will bring you to the Microsoft Office homepage. And there's two options of where you can sign in. You can click this red sign in button here, or up here in the corner, you can sign in. You're going to go ahead and you're going to type your email address, which should be your last name, first initial, graduation year, at mndhs.org. So you're going to type in your MND email address, which should be, again, your last name, first initial, graduation year at mndhs.org. Then you're going to type in your password. So it should be your password that MND gave you. You're going to type that in here, and you'll know you're on the right track if you see the picture of the school in the background and the MND symbol here. So go ahead and enter your password, and then click sign in. You can click yes if you want to say sign in, or click no. That part is fine. You'll have to sign in a couple of times. And once you've signed in, then that will bring you to your Microsoft Office homepage, and that will have all of your apps and allow you to access any of the Microsoft products from any web computer. Now today we're going to focus on your email. So your email is this first icon, the Outlook icon. So if you click on that, now that you've logged into office.com and clicked on Outlook, then you'll have your email open, and you'll see a couple of things. This is your folders column, so all the different areas that you have mail. Here's your kind of quick look and title and who sent that email. And then when you click on them, you will see the actual full email over here in this side pane. So you can read any emails that you have so far in your email inbox. Okay. One of the things I want to point out to you is that there is a focused inbox and an other inbox. And at the moment we need you to check both, because you could be getting messages in both places. So make sure that you check both your focused inbox and then click over here to your other inbox as well. Okay. So check that focused and make sure you check that other. Now, if you want to send an email to anyone, you can just go ahead and click new message, and that will bring up the email bar for you to go ahead and type your message. One of the nice things we have here is that if you click the to button and choose the default global address list right here, it's the third option down, default global address list, that will give you the names of all the MND faculty, staff, other students. So if you know the name of that person, for example, you might want to search myself, which is Mrs. Enix, so you can type that in, and then that person will pop right up, and you can go ahead and add them to your email. Okay, so you'll see up here it says to, and then here's my list of people. All right, then just like normal, go ahead and type your subject, and then type your body, and on and on and on. If you need to add something or format something, you have all those bars down here. Your attachment bar is this little paper clip if you need to attach a file or an item to someone. And when you're ready, you can click send, and that will send that email to you. And I just said that to myself. One of the other things I wanted to point out while you were here, if you are trying to stay organized, is you can go ahead and click down here in the corner. There's a little letter. That's your email. You can also click on the calendar, and that will give you a place to start scheduling things for yourself. So a great thing to put here would be your summer assignments, due dates, or when you want to work on that, or summer meetings, etc. You can use the calendar to help you do that too. All right, so one more thing before we wrap up. You can get the Outlook app on your phone, your iPhone or your Android phone. It's both in the App Store and the Google Play Store. So if you wanted to get your email on your phone, you can download that app, and it's the same thing. It'll have that focused and other Outlook box. And then finally, I just want to call your attention back on that office.com homepage to show you that you have a bunch of other apps on here. Your OneDrive app is going to be all your files. Here's the various programs that we use. You're going to get lots of training on those before the school year starts, but if you wanted to play around at this point, you certainly could do that.